Hello guys, Flash here for another video. Today we're going to talk about the saddle of rigs. This is a meme coin, a shit coin based from the Rick and Morty, the saddle of rigs. I did not watch the cartoon, but I've heard that it's a very nice cartoon and it's a funny one. It's based off this episode, I think, like a starship or something like this with an army. So yeah, this should be interesting. Let's get right into it. Saddle of rigs launched on the 22nd of April. So yesterday, as the time of recording, it has a 3% burn and the 3% reduced, so and the 0% of failure. So you can get in right now to buy it on Pancake swap. This is a quick disclaimer. Do your own research. This is not financial advice or anything. But yeah, you can buy it on Pancake swap. All the links will be in the description below. With BNB, with MetaMask and Trust Wallet. Make sure the slippage is on 6% and you should be good to go. So let's take a look at the chart right now. This is very early, so if you guys wanna get in the line with us, it should be a very fun ride. The website will be launched on Monday, so 2 days from now, on the 25th, I think, of April. So my face cam was over the chart. So there we go. This is a very good looking chart. Yeah, as I said before, this is very early, so get in before it's too late. The ownership has been renounced and the LP has been burned. So the owner just texted me and said that it's a flash offer right now. So you have to send 500 MORTYS to the that address, and you will get a free NFT available only tomorrow at the same time, so only one per person. So it's being set as the ticket to hell. That being said, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications, and I will see you guys in the next one. Flash out.